Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to disable startup apps in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings or go to settings option and hit enter. Go to apps, scroll down in the left side and select startup and disable these options. For example, these, and these. And to apply the change, restart your computer, click on close and go to the start menu, power off button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.